So today I have a new Trendsend box, and it is June, and I requested this box because June is my birthday month. My birthday is June 10th, and I always get a box in June. It's usually an every other month deal, but June happens to be the second half of the rewards quarter. So I usually try to get a box every other month, and usually the month where the rewards for Trendsend and Evereve expire. So let me backtrack. If you are not familiar with Trendsend and you are not familiar with the store Evereve, Trendsend is a subscription style box. When you sign up, you will fill out a style profile, and then the first time that you go to get a box, you will get matched up with a stylist. You can pick locations, by the way. This time I switched out of Massachusetts and I actually switched back to warehouse because I wanted more of a selection if possible. And their warehouse happens to be in, I believe it's Minneapolis. Sorry about that. Minnesota, I believe. I could double check my paperwork. But I did go back to warehouse for them. Now, once you get styled with a stylist, you will pay a $20 style fee, and then they will pick out, typically it seems to be about 6 to 7 items now for a Trendsend box, at least for me. And in picking out items, this time out I put items on my Evereve wish list. Evereve is a boutique store that is available throughout the country. Just again, I've said this so many times on my channel, not in New York. The closest for me is Massachusetts, or now I think it's King of Prussia. Carolyn from Carolyn and Her Clothes. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe those are the closer locations for me. I have never been to an Evereve store as much as I want to go. I don't seem to venture out of New York at this point, and my mall of choice in New York happens to be the Walt Whitman Mall, which has Anthropologie, Free People, now Johnny Was, a lot of high-end Bloomingdale's. So I do get a lot of the items that I can find from Evereve in some of those stores as well, but I still love my Evereve, so I do Trendsend. I keep an eye on their site for sales, and I take a shot that way. That's it. I have this full try on for you. 3 outfits, 6 items, and I cannot wait to get into it. Again, this is the Everything June box. By the way, if you've never gotten a Trendsend box, go to my link in the comments. You can get 20% off your first box, and so can I. So, great deal. However, I want to get right into it. I want to share what I got. And by the way, spoiler alert, I've already done some shopping for my birthday already, at the mall, at Anthropologie, and at Free People. So, and I have some gift cards, by the way. I have a couple of gift cards for Evereve. So I can afford to shop still here with my gift cards. I have a 20% birthday coupon from them. Oh no, excuse me, I'm lying. 25%, no, $25 off. Wow. Sorry, I have so many birthday coupons from so many stores that I shop at. It's $25 off. And I also have, I have to look at my rewards. I think it was only 15 this time. I didn't spend as much last quarter, but I do have that as well to play with for Evereve and Trendsend. So, without further ado, let's get into the try on. I'm going to read the note, and I'm going to show you the first outfit, which I already have on. So, hang on. Okay, I'm back. I threw on the jacket with the first outfit because that's actually how my stylist said to wear it. And I have to apologize. I hope the lighting is good. But for some reason, we had sun all day yesterday, but I had the world's worst migraine, and I just was not up to doing this filming with my headache, and I had some neck issues from the way I guess I slept the night before. So all that to say, of course, Sunday morning, and it's raining out. It's supposed to clear up as the day goes on, but I want to get to this because I also have a Stitch Fix box to film as well. So I'm trying my best here. Anyways, here's my stylist note. She says, Janine, happy birthday. Treat yourself to some fun new outfits, including premium denim, and goes with everything gold plated necklace. I sent some pieces from the Everything June theme box, and some inspired by your wish list. The casual and comfy outfits in this box will take you from WFH to a nice birthday dinner out on the town and every activity in between. Make sure to leave feedback on which items you love and why. Cheers to another year of being fabulously you. Styled for you by, if I'm saying her name wrong, I really apologize. I think it's Kianya. Yeah, I think that's her name. So the first outfit that I have on, and I already have on, I have this, I don't know if you could see it. I will show you this close up, but they did send me a necklace. This necklace is mine. The starfish is from Kendra Scott. I have the matching earrings. So I bought the earrings in Disney Springs when I was in Florida last month. They were having a sale. My daughters got jewelry and I bought the earrings and I left the necklace behind. And then, lo and behold, I got my 50% off coupon for Kendra Scott for my birthday and I ordered it, not gonna lie. So now I have the necklace to match, but this necklace is really cute. So this is by, if I'm butchering this name, I think it's GORJANA. It's in gold. It is the Griffin dog tag necklace. It is really cute. By the way, all pricing will be in the comments below, just so you know. Look below for all the pricing info. But I paired it, like I said, with my starfish right now because I'm loving that necklace. I've actually been wearing that with my Tiffany's heart tag necklace. But I just think it's so pretty, so summery starfish. I'm obsessed. But with it, I have this dress that I had on my wish list and this jacket. So let me double check. I want to make sure. This is the Amanda Boxy jacket. It is cut from the cloth. They're saying it's an ECRU and it's an extra small. So let me come closer so you can see the color. Okay. And I already have a white denim jacket by Blank NYC. So I'm not sure I need this jacket in my closet, but it is cute. I will be honest, if you don't have a white denim jacket, this is a great layer. Except the zipper does not seem to want to go all the way down and I don't want to force it. So, but they do have zippers on the side. Let's see if this one, yeah, that one goes down better. And it's a little long though. I will say, like, comes right down to my wrist. Here's the front of it. Here's the back. Underneath, yeah, sorry, I need my readers. Oh, and let me just show you for the jacket. It does zip and it has snaps. I would not wear it that way most likely, but it does zip and it has some snaps. So just so you can see. And I'm probably gonna take this off in a second because there is a dress. The dress is, I believe, by Z Supply. I think this is the Chambray. Let me look. I have the packing slip as well. This will help me. This is the Balos Chambray Midi dress. It's in washed chambray, size extra small. It is by Z Supply. And I will tell you the pricing now that I am looking. The dress is $119. The jacket is $119 as well. And the necklace, looking to see, is $70. So the necklace is $70. Let me take the jacket off so you can see the dress. Just hang on. Okay, I have the jacket off now. This dress, it's a denim style dress. It is adorable. I had this dress on my wish list. So this is a wish list item and I'm wearing a strapless bra with it because it is, I don't know if you can see, it come closer, it's spaghetti straps and then it has like the ruching elastic up here and then more of like a linen type fabric on the bottom. Oh, it is so cute. See if I can back up so you can see the full length. And I just have my braided Birkenstocks. I live in Birkenstocks during this time of the year, so I have quite a few different styles of Birks, but I am just, I don't know, this was a wish list item, and I'm thinking this might stay. Not gonna lie to you, I'm thinking this is a keeper, but I'm gonna look back at the footage still, but I'm really just, I love it. I just think it's so cute. So, I don't know. I mean, you tell me. I'll bring it down. I just want you to see the full length in case you didn't get it in the original when I backed up. So hang on. So here's the length as promised. And it's perfect. I mean, I'm wearing flats. I don't need heels. I do have heels too, but like I said, I live in my Birkenstocks, and I think looks awesome with my braided Birkenstocks. I'm loving the look. So, I don't know. Really liking this. But I have a couple more outfits. I'll be back with those. So, next outfit. Let me get my paperwork open again. I now have on, it is the I Got You Babe t-shirt in antique white. Help if I took this out. This is by Retro Brand Black Label, which I do have some other graphic tees by this brand. I love this brand. $68. And also the Jane Utility Short by Cut From The Cloth in the color tan, size 2, $79. So the t-shirt is $68 and the shorts are $79. And I still have on the dog tag necklace from the first try on from GORJANA. Okay. I think this is a cute t-shirt, but I really do have a lot of graphic tees, so I'm not so sure I actually need this one. I know I never say that when getting a graphic tee, but I had a graphic tee from Fleetwood Mac on my list, and I'm eyeing that one, and I kind of think I may pull the trigger. I have it in my checkout for Evereve, and like I said, I have some gift cards and some coupons and everything, so I may pull the trigger on that one and leave this one behind, but I'll look at the try on and I'll decide. These shorts were on my wish list. They are really cute, but I kind of feel they fit me. They're a little big in the waist, but the legs, they feel a little snug almost in the size 2. I'm not gonna lie, like I feel like they just fit. And for shorts, sometimes I do size up because I like my shorts to have a little bit more room in the leg area. And the color is cute, but the color online looked a little different. It has more of a pink tinge to it. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I don't know, I'm not 100% sure I'm loving these. I will look back at the try on, but I just kind of feel like, I don't know. And that's the beauty of doing a wish list and being able to try it on with Trendsend. And if you're not liking what you originally thought you liked, you can send it back. So that is something that is a plus with Trendsend versus just ordering it from Evereve and then having to return it that way. But there's these pockets here, pockets here, pockets here. I front tuck this shirt. The length is the same in the front and the back, so you can see how long it is. It does cover my bum. Like I said, it is a cute t-shirt. I'm just not so sure. I have a lot of graphic t-shirts already, and I don't, it's fun colors, but for lack of a better, not a huge Sonny and Cher fan. Anthropologie had a different style t-shirt with them on a couple of months ago, and I passed it by in Anthropologie, and I'm usually the first to be like, ooh, a new graphic tee by Retro Brands, or Let Love, that's another one. Like, I will grab them when I see them, but I don't know, something about, I don't know. But again, I'll look back at the footage. But this is outfit 2. I have one more outfit, another top and a pair of jeans. So hang on and I'll be back with that. All right, I'm back with that next outfit as promised. And this one, again, still wearing that necklace. I left it on because it's just cute and figured what the hey with styling all the outfits. But this time out, this top is, I believe, the Ayla Stripe Raglan tank It is by Evereve. It is in the color navy red yellow, size extra small, $58. And it is paired with a pair of jeans. These are the most expensive item in this box. These are by AGOLDE because this is premium denim. This is the Ren jean in the color Smash, $238. Now, fair warning, I had a couple of jeans in my wish list from Mother, and they're all sold out. And I did buy myself a pair of jeans recently by Mother a couple months ago, so I'm not sure I need these. And then I went shopping at Free People, and I bought a pair of jeans there just this past weekend. So yeah, I'm not so sure I need these. They're really cute, I'm not gonna lie, and I love AGOLDE, but for the price, I'm thinking I'm not going to go with these. But that said, let's take a look at these two items. This top is, I actually am wearing still my strapless bra because the straps just went under, but I was wearing it from the dress anyways, so I just left it on. But the reason it says red, orange, yellow is the stripes here, and it's just in the color navy otherwise. And this is actually on the front cover of Evereve's website. I have it front tucked. So these jeans have working pockets in the front, working pockets in the back, lighter color wash. Yeah, I think you can see the full length. Still wearing my braided Birkenstocks. They're like cut off on the bottom. And let me just unfront tuck this so you can see the full length. So that's the full length front. That's the full length back. I'm front tucking it again. Yeah, I mean, it's a cute outfit. I do like the top. The top is different, but I don't know if I need these jeans, to be honest. So I'm highly debating sending those back. That said, let's just do a real quick wrap up. You've seen all the items in this box. I will say I'm not going to go through them all again, but I'm definitely loving that dress. Now, how this works is if you keep 4 or more, you get an extra 10% off of your box pricing. I've already paid $20 in for the styling fee just so that you get the full idea of where I'm at. Like I said, I think the dress is going to be a keeper. I really do like this necklace, and I've worn it for the whole try on, so it might be part of the 4. I'm thinking of keeping 4 this time. This top possibly, and I'm trying to think, so the dress, dog tag necklace. So the dress, this top, the necklace, and I need one other dress, necklace, this top. I don't know if I have one other. I'm going to look back at the try on to see if I'm going to do 4 or if I'm just going to keep what I want to keep. But that said, you've seen this whole try on. Give me your thoughts. Live filming. Drop my glasses. Yeah, just give me your thoughts. I could use a little help here. Insofar as what I'm picking. But anyways, for all my returning subscribers, thank you for all of your friendship and support. I say it all the time, and I mean it. Thank you. I just appreciate it. For those who are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say have a magical day and bye for now.